I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a powered Midi keyboard and Reaper open. First, plug the keyboard into USB or the interface, then wait for your computer to register it. Once done, open Reaper and navigate to Options, then Preferences, then Midi Devices. You enable inputs and outputs there so Reaper sees your controller. Make sure to enable both input and control messages if you plan to use transport or CC mappings. This step is essential because Reaper won't receive note or control data until ports are enabled. Next, create a track and load your virtual instrument. You do this with Insert Virtual Instrument on New Track, choose a VSTY, and let it load fully. Then set the track's MIDI input to your keyboard's enabled port and click Record Arm. This ensures MIDI passes through to the plugin. Make sure monitoring is on so you hear the instrument in real time. Also, check Preferences Audio for buffer size and sample rate. Reducing buffer lowers latency but raises CPU use, so find a balance that works. You're ready to record and finalize. Arm the track, test play to confirm notes are received, then record takes and edit them in Reaper's MIDI editor where you can quantize or tweak velocity. For hands-on control, map plugin parameters by right-clicking a knob, choose Parameter Modulation or Learn MIDI, then move a control on your keyboard to bind it. Finally, render or bounce your performance. If something goes wrong, check your audio driver type, a CO preferred, buffer size, and that the MIDI input port is still enabled in Preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.